Ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating today the commemorative program for the Homonhon Centennial Marker for the 504th anniversary of Magellan's Landing and the Philippine-Spanish contact. We acknowledge the presence of Honorable Miles Chu, the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation, President of the Province of Eastern Samar, Honorable Veronica Cabacaba Ramirez, Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Giwan, members of the Sangguniang Bayan in the Municipality of Giwan, Honorable Winifredo Gapate, Punong Barangay of Barangay Pagwangnan, Honorable Roderick Santos, Punong Barangay of Barangay Bitaugan, Honorable Cesario Loyola, Punong Barangay of Barangay Kulasi, Honorable Jerry Flores, Punong Barangay of Barangay Inapulangan, Honorable Jessica Baginon, Punong Barangay of Barangay Habag, Honorable Reynaldo Colandog, Punong Barangay of Barangay Kasuguran, Honorable Romilo Princilo, Punong Barangay of Barangay Kagusuan, Honorable Reynaldo Fortun, Punong Barangay of Barangay Kanawayan, Ms. Kina Gonzalez Kwan, our local historian and Board of Director, Philippine National Historical Society Incorporated. Police Captain Ryan Julius Abellar, OIC Giwan Municipal Police Station, Police Captain Nadel Ripalda, Eastern Samar Provincial Internal Affairs Service, Second Lieutenant Genesis Gamboa, Second Lieutenant Hashwin Imanel from the 78th Infantry Battalion Armed Forces of the Philippines. We will now begin the ceremonies. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem. Now, the wreath-laying ceremony to be led by Honorable Ralph Vincent Ivardone, Sangguniang Panlalawigan member and Philippine Councilors League Eastern Visayas President, to be accompanied by Police Captain Ryan Julius Abellar, OIC Giwan Municipal Police Station, and Honorable Vice Mayor Veronica Cabacaba Ramirez. Let us witness the wreath-laying ceremony to be led by Honorable Ralph Vincent Ivardone at the Quincentennial Historical Marker of Homonhon. This ends the wreath-laying ceremony of the Homonhol Quincentennial Marker in commemoration of the 504th anniversary of Magellan's Landing and the Philippine-Spanish contact. May we invite all the guests to a short program. To our ever-energetic and beautiful Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Giwan, Vice Mayor Veronica Cabacaba Ramirez.
Maupay nga aga yung atanan, pasensya na. Waray ko na boses, napiraw kami sa rayaw kagabi. Balito, anakon paghataging katalahuran, bisan kon warahya dinhi, anaton mabtik ang mabinuligon na Mayor Lisa Gonzales Kwan, nga nangangaruhiyahin dispensa, nga warahya pakatindiya na, kay may da importante nga patawag ira. Karuyagad niya umaten pero gintawagan niya nga importante indoro. So nangangaro yan dispensa. So man liwat, natin magiging congressman, Congressman Shane Gonzales, may dagyap importante nga patawag ira. Ngan, anakot gyap pagkataging katalahuran, kato naton batanon, guwapo, nga mag-gobernador, ang probinsya ni Eastern Samar, Governor R.B. Bardoni, suganman anaton SK Fed Province of Eastern Samar, President Honorable Miles Chu, suganman mga konsehales nga niya na, Konsehal Puli, Konsehal Kaloy, Konsehal Antonia, Konsehal Joey Sison, Konsehal SK Federated President ng Giwan, Iskidel Samurai, suganman anaton magiging konsehal, Konsehal Domi Chua, ang siyempre ang mahusay, nga magiging konsehala, makarit, konsehala Kina May Kwan. So man mga punong barangay, han 8 nga barangay anumunon, nga nislang suluan, sugad man mga barangay officials, Police Captain Ryan Julius Villar, OIC Chief of Police Giwan, Police Captain Nadil Repalda Espias, Second Lieutenant Genesis Im Gamboa, and Second Lieutenant Hashin Imanel, as from the 17th Infantry Battalion. Sugad pa naton Provincial Tourism Officer, Sir Neil Pinarok, nga nanamon Giwan Municipal Tourism, Miss Janet Israel, nga nangatanan nga niya na mga bisita, utro maupay nga agahay yung atanan. I am honored to represent Mayor Annalise Gonzales Kwan today as we celebrate and commemorate something that is already ingrained in us, something that is already part of being Ahumununanon, the 504th anniversary of Magellan's Landing. We call it now anniversary of the Philippine part of the first circumnavigation of the world. For a long time, it has even become a sort of a second fiesta for Homonhonanons. Kaya nga tanan mga busy, pag-aabot ini nga Magellan's Landing, kinikita ta nga parulahin patron kada barangay. So may da sa Rayaw, kangina nagmisa, ngan may da karigudigongan, siyempre unina may karaon. As we celebrate our ancestors today, we must remember their most important legacy, kindness and humanity. When the crew of Magellan's Elcano expedition landed here in Homonhon on March 17, 1521, they were sick hungry, tired, and dying. Your neighbors in Suluan sailed to Munhon to meet these strangers and demonstrated a unique brand of hospitality that giwananon trait of Panginano. Kung iba, ada nga mga klasin tao, anaton mga kapuy-apuyan, kundi mga buutan, the Spanish wouldn't have been able to complete the circumnavigation of the world. This is the message of our annual commemoration. The kindness creates lasting legacies. Our ancestors' small acts of kindness made us part of one of the biggest achievements of man in history. My dear friends and esteemed Omonhonanon, let us be proud of our heritage. Let us be proud of magnanimity and ability to be kind one another, despite differences in culture, in beliefs, or in backgrounds, as these are the best foundation for building a stronger community. We at the LGU Giwan will continue to support this commemoration so we can create a generations that learns lesson from the past and is proud of their history, and to promote our history in tourism so others can learn from us. Kami, dahil LGU Giwan, inada permi manginginano, iton mga humunhunanon. Padayon la kita nga magkaurusa, kay kami dita munisipyo. In padayon nga manginginano, ngayon padayon nga magkakaurusa pagserbe, agad padayon nga magtatrabaho para iton giwananon. Hayo nga tanan, welcome kamo, hininga aton selebrasyon. Otro, maupay ngaga.
Thank you so much, Honorable Vice Mayor Veronica Cabacaba Ramirez. At this point, let us hear the keynote message of our guest of honor, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan member and the Philippine Councilors League Eastern Visayas President. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause please to Honorable Ralph Vincent R.V. Ivardone.
Maupay nga aga, hayong atanan. Usually, waray ko binabasa nga message, pero may ginbilin ha akong higov nga akong babasahon para iyo. No? So, let me read this message. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, we commemorate an important chapter in our history. On March 16, 1521, Portuguese navigator Ferdinand Magellan and his crew landed on Homonhon Island and claimed the Philippines for Spain. Thus began the long historic relationship between the Philippines and Spain, which lasted for 100 years. The significance of this occasion cannot be overlooked. For it was here the Filipinos showed their hospitality. The Filipinos showed their heroism. Why, you may ask? Because not a lot of people know that it was because of our ninunos. The first people of Homonhon and Suluan who nurtured, who helped the crew of Magellan so that they could finish the first circumnavigation of the world. And as we celebrate this momentous day, we are reminded of the trailblazing efforts of Magellan and his crew. His determined efforts to cross oceans in search for new land. We are also reminded of this heroism that we showed. The heroism of Estehanons, of Giwananons. Lest we forget, these events are only a snapshot of the great picture of global conquest in Magellan's time. The world was divided into territories and colonies held by great powers, Spain, Portugal, and England. The world today is far removed from these historic developments, but it mirrors the great unending struggle between conqueror and conquered. And an example in our present day today is the war in Ukraine. An example of a geopolitical calculus playing out on the world stage. But eventually, we learned from history that Spain did eventually succeed in colonizing the Philippines and asserting its sovereignty over the islands. We became subjects of Spain for over 4 centuries, never having the ability to shape or pursue our own destiny. But this Spanish oppression led to unrest among the Filipinos and eventually to open resistance. And today, we have our national heroes to thank for the opening of the hearts and minds of our forebears to the tyranny of colonization. They planted the seeds that would grow into the tree of nationalism and nurture their aspiration toward gaining pride and purpose as a free people. And our generation now is an immediate and direct beneficiary of this interplay of historical milestone. It is up to us to honor and preserve this legacy so that the lessons of history through Magellan, through Pigafetta, through the first circumnavigation of the world will remain part of our heritage. It is our duty to remember this chapter in our history so that commemorations like this will retain their importance and meaning. So, siya itong mensahe ni Gov Ben. So, ano ba ang correct signon ni Gov Ben ang iya mensahe? Actually, first time ko pala binasa niya mensahe yan ha. Pero para ako, nanakon pagkulaw, damo an aton inagihan, an aton history. Nakita naton kung ano ang epekto haaton. Nga kunwaray ini, damo an aton mga ginbubuhat, damo an aton mga tradisyon, an mawawara. Ngan maaram ako, hikirita, labi na, hikirita nga mga Estehanons. Talaga, we are very traditional people. Yan, hasta yan na, nagsaselebrar pa kita. Hanaton mga patron, hanaton mga sarayaw. Bisan kagabi may naton sarayaw. Darahini han colonization. Darahini han kultura nga tikan han mga Espanyol. Tikan hito naton ginsaselebrar yan na kan Magellan. Pero may daini kaakibat liwat nga opresyon nira. Sinunod ang pag-colonize sa aton han Espanya. Pero asyat correct sigon ni Gov Ben. Nga there are times wherein there are partnerships, no? And we learn through these partnerships with Magellan's crew landing here, bringing Catholicism, enriching our culture and heritage. But when they overstep, no, when they showed oppression, kinita liwat ang kusoghan Pilipino na lumaban para ha kapayapaan. Tinikangan kan lapu-lapu. Katapos, naglabay ang mga tuig, ang mga dekada na oppress Japon ang Pilipinas. An umato, hira, Jose Rizal, Gumburza, kay pinapakita naton nga hikirita nga Pilipino, we are our own people. Damo ang mga kultura, halo-halo na para aton bansa. But bisan pa, we show our identity. And through these historic events, darahan mga naglabay nga mga tao, naglabay nga mga colonizers, naglabay nga kasaysayan aton bansa. Asya ito naghulma para ipakita naton kung hino ang mga Pilipino yana. And I think this is a very timely message from Governor Ben for this speech. Because as we all know, there are activities in our island. Some may call it a form of oppression. Why? Kasi mga naglabay, nga mga tugtikan-hantikan, mga aktibidades din waray mga benepisyo na nakukuhaan mga kabaranggayan. Kay kamaiha nga panahon, damo na ang mga nagmimina din Pero, dara kay kinita naton. Ipinaglaban naton ang karapatanhan aton mga kabaranggayan. Nganya na, natatagamtaman na ang mga benepisyo na dapat tikan hayra, na dapat tikan hanuna pa, ginahatag haton. Pero, naniguro itong provincial government, pinaagi kan Governor Ben, aton mga Sangguniang Panlalawigan members. We demanded these companies operating in our island to give the due rights of our people in Homonhon. Ngayon na, ang ibang mga barangays, ado na haira-nira excise tax. Ngayon, may dangani din barangay. Ako di ang nagsasala. Ando duha nga barangay, mas dako pa ni ira excise tax kontra ira pondo, hitira barangay. So dako ini nga bulig para hit aton ka barangayan. Ngan labot lahi ton aton excise tax. Hanuna diri kita ginuupod parte hiton MMT. Pero yan na, hikitaan natok daw ngadto. Hikitaan nabaton. Kung may mga kinahanglan nito naton isla, hikita. Ang probinsya, upod na naton LGU. Pinaglalaban natin ang tao dinhi. Bisa niton partehan rehabilitation liwat. Part kita hiton. Hikitaan boses para dinhi. Kaya siya iton mensahe ni Govben. Mensahe yan iya ginprepare para aton. Nga, hikirita, maaram kita umato. Ngin na-oppress na kita. Maaram kita lumaban kung ano ang nakararapat para haaton. Salit, aanhi kami, ito na provincial government, aanhi ito LGU, Giwan, of course, pinungunahan ito naton Mayor, kan Mayor Annelies Gonzales Juan, naton Vice Mayor, kan Vice Mayor Veronica, Kabakaba Ramirez, naton mga konsehalis, nga niya na. No? Ani kami, para protektahan itong mga rights, nga protektahan ito naton mga kabaranggayan din Homonhon. Asya iton, kariyag singon, itong mensahe ni Govben. Yan, yan na, ako nalilipay, hanaton katitirok, hanakon pagbisita utro, no? Din niya Homonhon. Nga, kinikita ko naman, talaga permi marisyo, itong mga tao din Talaga na sasalinurog naton, itong pagkakaisa, pagkakaurusa, no? Pagburublig, itong probinsya, itong mga barangays naton din Ngan, para akon, let us be reminded nga hikirita, we will always be here. Hikaramo, hikirita, tanan kita, we will always be here to fight for what is right. And with that, damo nga salamat, haniyo oras, yan na, Damo nga salamat han tanan nga binulig para hito naton pagsalinurog hito naton commemoration. Tikan pahan mga naglabay nga mga adlaw naton mga medical mission at mga nagse-set up naton mga taga sound system, an LGU Giwan, an team naton ha province, an tourism team han Giwan, tourism team han province. Nganhan nga tanan nga mga barangays, nga anhiya na upod liwat ang barangayhan suluan. Salamat, salamat, haiyo nga tanan. And mabuhay ang islahan Humonhon, mabuhay ang Giwan, mabuhay ang probinsyahan Eastern Samar. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to our guest of honor, Honorable Ralph Vincent R.V. Ibardone. This ends the commemorative program for the Humonhon Quincentennial Marker for the 504th anniversary of Magellan's Landing and the Philippine-Spanish contact. We thank you all for your attendance and participation. Once again, thank you, stay safe, mabuhay, bungtuta, higugmata, Giwan, be truly here.